Have you ever think that PPC, pay per click, is not working well for you? If you think like this, then you are at the right place, because in this video I'm going to answer a question of a person who has a similar question like yours. So let's get started on this. But before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Raja. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup, management services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now let's move forward on why PPC not working for me query I have. And the query is, I'm running Google Ads campaign from the last 1 month and still no leads. Some of my keywords are SEO services, SEO company, SEO services. I'm paying $20 to $30 per click and targeting some topics, cities of USA, or I think top cities of USA like New York, Illinois, Washington, Georgia. Any suggestions, please, or any better platform to do paid marketing and get leads? So I think that in answering your question, there can be so many reasons, which is why your PPC is not working well for you. So let me write all those reasons. So number one is poor landing page structure. So this can be a primary reason. I often say that we are paying money for every visitor to land on our website, and regardless of how much optimized our campaign is, if our UI user interface is not friendly, we are going to waste a lot of money. And I think that it may be hard to understand, but I'm going to show you few through images which I think can tell you a lot. Like, you can see over here, sorry for this one, this is for another client data. So you can see over here that a simple landing page optimization compared a normal landing page with an optimized landing page can double, triple, multiply the conversion. So you need to understand that a good landing page is very important for your PPC campaign to successful on. So my opinion is that poor landing page structure can be a very crucial factor in your campaign the success. Apart from poor landing page structure, my opinion regarding is an ad working on ad copies. Okay, I think that people lack over here. I have seen people, they do not put much pressure. Some have been doing working with now chat GPTs to get the ad copies. But I think there is more on your ad copy, because ad copy is how it's going to be your first lead in the consumer's mind, and you need to work on it. For instance, this is an ordinary ad. This is a simple ad, which usually plays. But I'm going to tell you the assets or extensions role in optimizing the ad. Apart from being a good copywriting work on this, we need to work on assets. For instance, if I make this a regular ad, right, see this right now, and if I add a call extension, location extension, advertiser rating, and price structure, so you can see over here that how attractive this ad became as compared to the original one. This ad has more authenticity, more trust, and there are much more likely chances that people are going to buy it out. So you need to optimize your ad. So my opinion is working on your ad copy. Third is improving account structure. What I see is when people are creating campaigns on the Google Ads, what mistake they do is they start adding bundle of keywords in the same ad group, same keywords, without realizing that every keyword has a different intent. So focus on optimizing, improving account structure, understand the intent behind every keyword. I think this plays a role. Also, showing the right ad to the right people at the right time also plays a role. So my opinion is that time plays a crucial role. If you are showing an ad at the wrong time, there are much more chances that people are not going to buy it out, although they are a buying customer and they wanted to buy, but you are pushing them at the wrong time. For instance, someone usually goes to the gym at 6 p.m. There is no point of targeting him at 6 p.m. because he won't buy it out because he's busy in an activity. So find out when your people buy it out. do a rough, okay, you may have to run your ad for 24 hours a day for 3 weeks. So I think that after this you may get a data of what's working well. And the sixth point which I think is, in case if you are not doing it, PPC will never work for you, and that is conversion tracking plus working on analytics plus heat map. If you are not working on this, not working on conversion tracking, not working on analytics, not working on a heat map, you are losing money. You will never grow up because you don't know what's working well for you. Even the Google algorithm will not be able to understand what's working well for your business. So this is another point. And the next point is going to be regarding fraud clicks. Okay, believe it or not, this happens. Competitors are clicking on your ad, and this is a bitter truth. So although the algorithm of Google or even the Facebook has being advanced over the time, so not specific to the Google or Facebook, we need to look around for the fraud clicks. And we have been working with our clients, and we have our in-house dedicated tool in sorting out all of these issues. But I think that fraud clicks is another better reality which needs to be admitted by the audience, and this can also cause you a lot of money to be wasted on. And apart from fraud clicks, my next is going to be, looking on your competitors, their US landing page, their offer, their USP, okay, whatever you call it, their offer, the landing page. If you are not analyzing, and if you do a comparison with your own product and see which one is offering a better user experience, which one is offering the better product, and which one is offering the better after sales, if you're not doing a comparison of this, definitely you are losing out. So focus on it, and this can be a crucial factor as well on why PPC is not working well for you. And the ninth point is, you don't know how to optimize the account for better quality score. Okay, be it Google ads, be it Facebook ads, be it Bing ads. Okay, to be very specific, anyone. Okay, so even for Facebook, let me write as well, Bing ads or Google ads. In case if you don't, if you're not optimizing a quality score, you are losing money, and you may have to pay much more, which is why PPC may not working well for you as compared to your competitor, because these companies are more optimized, more structured, and well presented, and have high CTR, high quality score, which is why he is paying even half or even lower than what you are paying. So focus on doing quality score optimization, and this can also tell you why PPC is not working for you. So there can be few minor tweaks as well, like working on your search terms, optimizing on your search terms data, locations data, bidding strategy, spend more money on peak conversions time, less on when not working well for you. Separate the data of not working well, and analyze it and come up with a better offer deal, or eventually, or instead, stop spending money on that audience. So these are the few of the points which I think are, with the reasons why PPC is not working well for you. So I hope you like it. In case if you need a Google ads audit setup, or a management services, or a Facebook ads, or a Bing ads services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. And lastly but not least, if I'm missing anything, you guys are more likely, more welcome to add in the comments of this video, and I will be happy to make up, add in my own list of why PPC is not working for you. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.